Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC, this is just an update video on the injectors. Remember, we have our 3.6 here Pentastar motor, and we replaced all the injectors. We really only needed to technically replace 1 and 4. They were the ones that were not communicating, but we did go ahead and replace them all. And I'm just showing in the live data here that we have all injectors and no random misfires because of lack of fuel, but they're all basically actuating within the spec. They're all fairly close to each other, actuating, you know, in the order that they need to work so that this vehicle can run a lot better. And it's just an update of watching the live data from where previously these had no communication, and also we had random misfire basically in the 2 cylinders that weren't getting any fuel. So that's an update for you here with this 3.6 Pentastar motor on this is in a 2016 Dodge Journey, but that's just what we can do to replace those things. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.